Hey there, Christopher Thunder here. We're going to create a series of videos called video shorts that are too short. Today's video short is the Honda seat for the NC700. A lot of people, don't find this too difficult to take off. On the back of the seat, there are two mounting holes. It is a metal top hat that is pushed through a rubber grommet, and that rubber grommet is inside a plastic elbow here. That plastic elbow can break and snap. I have seen other seat pans that have a metal elbow in here, which makes it a lot better. These are cheap, and if you take off your seat enough times, you will snap these off. So be very careful when putting your seat on and taking it off. Don't pull or yank, and certainly don't force the seat on with the bolts if it's not in the right position. That's how you break these plastic parts. So, putting the seat on the bike here. My seat is denim. It is not a standard seat. You'll see that it doesn't really easily go into place like that. You have to kind of give it a little bit of a lift in the front when you push forward, like that. Now the seat is pretty much in position, but I can't be sure. How do I know that it's really in position? Well, back here, you want to put your fingers on those holes while you push forward with the seat. And you're going to feel those metal top hats being pushed by the metal support on the inside. Once you feel those metal top hats being pushed by that, you can bet that you can put this bolt into the hole. Now, they'll go in, and they may not actually be in the hole. Back here behind the seat is the hole. Now, am I really aligned? I don't really know. What I'm doing is I'm wiggling and turning at the same time. And I can feel that bolt turning in rather slowly. The next thing to do, once I'm sure that it won't pull back out, is to get my wrench and start tightening. And then I go for the other side using the same technique. So it's wiggle and push and turn to get that bolt aligned. Having a longer bolt is better than a shorter bolt. That way you know it's all the way in and it's threading. The next thing you want to do is get the wrench extension and spin it in with your hand. Don't get the socket wrench now, because you just might cause a problem. Try and center that. So same technique over here. Insert the bolt, push down on the back corner of the seat, give a little bit of a wiggle, get the thread started, turn it in the rest of the way. And then come back with a socket wrench. Don't tighten these down too much, or you may not be able to get them back off. I'm using a smaller head so that I don't over torque these. I'm just going to pull with a couple fingers, and that's on. Same thing over here. Just give it a push with your thumb, and that's on. The seat is now in position and ready to ride.